Alright everyone, this is United Airlines Flight 122 from Washington Dulles to London Heathrow. It's a Boeing 757-200 and I'm in seat 27F. Departing out of gate C6 at Washington Dulles, and it's going to be about a 6 hour and 45 minute flight. So, thanks for joining. So, a little bit of information about the flight. As I said, United 122. There's 27 F&E.
On board. This morning for our flight to London's Heathrow Airport. Flight plan has a schedule for 6 hours and 45 minutes of flying time. I am anticipating about 2.5 hours into flight, getting a few bumps as we come up along Nova Scotia and the Canadian Maritimes. Should not last too long, and then again just before descent, coming in the west or the east side of Ireland, there's a good chance we might get a few bumps just as we're starting our descent. Other than that, it should be good ride conditions for arrival into London. They're calling for partly cloudy skies, but no rain in the forecast. So, as always, we'll get the most current weather as we get in close and pass that along to you. We are set to go in the cockpit. Looks like they're still loading some last-minute cargo, but we are anticipating an on-time departure this morning. So once again, welcome aboard.
Thanks for joining us on United Flight 122.
Pushing back out of gate C6.
International Service Manager. Our captain today is Captain Brad, and he's assisted by First Officers Jim and Tim. We'd like to welcome back our Mileage Plus members who are earning or using their warrant miles on this flight.
Flight that goes down to these islands, so basically they rely on United a lot.
We understand the importance of this flight.
I would not trade this route for another route. This is the place to be.
See the full episode.
And secure it to the buckle and front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Bella.
Thanks, Oscar.
We're getting ready to depart runway 1 right here at Dulles.
get up and move about as soon as you do. Reminder, please use the aisle galley player for flight attendants and do their wonderful service for you. Flight time to London, as the captain briefed you already, now that we're airborne, looking at the computer, it shows us landing about 30 minutes early. Sit back, relax, enjoy the flight. Thank you.
Alright, so we're at 37,000 feet with 5.5 hours to go to London. It's been a little choppy so far, but nothing too major. So, that'll do it for this departure section. Not much to see outside. Once again, this is United Airlines 122. This is Washington Dulles to London Heathrow in seat 27F on a Boeing 757-200. Hope you enjoy and check out the arrival from